Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to talk about how to use import range functions in Google Sheets. So before talking about import range functions, we are going to talk about in which scenarios you can use these types of formulas. For example, I have a data sheet here and this is my master file. I cannot make any edits in this. Either there is a possibility I only have a view access, or data is very huge, you cannot populate the formulas, or it will be more confusing if you embed a new column in this. So in that scenarios, I want my data to be shifted to a different sheet where I can do all the calculations, right? So in that case, I'll just take a new Google spreadsheet. Okay, I'll just create a new Google spreadsheet. You can create new Google Sheets by going to File, click on New, and then just click this spreadsheet. It will open new Google Sheet for you. Now I want all these columns exactly in same manner in different sheet in here, right? So I'll start with the formula. It will be equals to import range. It says imports data from another spreadsheet, right? I'll just click it. As the formula says, import range spreadsheet URL comma range string. Spreadsheet URL is the URL of my master data. So I'll start with this. I'll just copy the URL of my dummy data. This is my URL. Okay, I'll come to here. I will start with double quotes, put the URL, double quotes closed, then comma, then again double quotes. Now it says range string. Range string means I want to give the range in which my data is present in the master file. So in that case, in this particular sheet, my data is in dummy data, and after dummy data, my data is present in from A1 till column E, right? So I'll go here, I'll write my data is in dummy data tab. Okay, after the name of the tab, I will put exclamation. This is very important, and then I will write down the range, which was A1 till E, and I'll just close it. So as you can see that I am not mentioning any number after E. It automatically understands that this formula will take everything till the last cell, whether it has a data or not. It will take the last cell of the spreadsheet. So it will take complete data in short. I'll just enter and it is loading. Now it gave me reference error. So I'll just hover it. It will ask you need to connect these sheets, allow access, give the access, and data will get populated here. Now you can see that exact same data is in this sheet as well. Okay, and the best part about this is nobody can make any changes in this. For example, if I try to delete it, right, it will not be deleted, right? See, it will not delete it. For example, if you write something in between, it will give you error. That means it's a mirror image, you can say. It's a mirror image of whatever it is in the master file. So I have my columns. Now if I want to if I want to put some formulas here, for example, quantity bought multiplied by stock price bought at, right? I will just do this and I'll just drag the formula, control D, cool, I have the formula, right? So I can do anything I want, it will auto populate. And the best part about this formula is you can see my last data is this, right, in row number 101. If I just delete the first blank row as well, then in that case my last row will be in 100. If I go to master file and if I try to add once again this part, right, till 101, I'll come here. See, I got the data instantly. I can just drag it and the value will be populated. So this is very useful and you can say a very effective formula when you want to import, you want to have some set of data from different sheet and you want to do your calculations at once so that the master file is not disturbed. This is a very useful formula. In next video we are going to basically experiment with import range formula with the help of query function, okay, and we are going to club that together. I hope you liked my video. Thanks for watching.